Hello friends, welcome to another informative video where we will learn to fix the common error, video not playing in the media player. Sometimes when you try to open a video in the media player you are using for a long time, it fails to open the video. You get an error in the media player that the video is not playable. Many times the error shows the cause of the error, like Windows Media Player cannot play the file because the required video codec is not installed on your computer. Or Windows Media Player cannot play, burn, rip, or sync the file because a required audio codec is not installed on your computer. Or a codec is required to play this file. To determine if this codec is available to download from the web, click Web Help. All these errors mention the cause behind the video not playing error, but there are many times when we cannot identify the exact cause of this error. In such cases, you need to try several methods one by one. Find the suitable codecs for the video format and download them from the internet. Then add them to the media player. Then try to play the video again. It is possible that the player you are using is an outdated one, and you did not download new one. Now, when the video with the latest graphics and animation is not playing in the video, then you need to have the newest version from its website. Most of the time, a corrupt video cannot be played using a media player. When other methods are not working, use the Kernel Video Repair tool and remove all kinds of corruptions from the video. It instantly fixes the video corruption issues. There is an add button to browse the videos. Then you can choose multiple videos from their location. For a highly corrupt file, you may have to add a reference file. After adding the videos, click the option Repair Files. Mention where you want to save the files, and the tool will repair and protect the videos as soon as possible. Thanks for watching our video. To get more information about the software, visit the website. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get an instant notification whenever a new video is uploaded.